Alright family, so we are in Key West and we got a little surprise for you. We're getting some Dunkin' Donuts this time. We usually get McDonald's or whatever, McDonald's. But Dunkin' Donuts it is. Alright family, we're back at the spot. You guys should know this spot by now. Okay, you've come with us several times. Alright, you guys love traveling with us, so we here again. We got our road dog Tamia, she's here. Vincent dissed us. He said he don't want to come to no fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah, Richie unloading the car. Got a whole lot of stuff. We got a surprise for y'all later
Ninja
on.
Turtle Richie in the building.
Who?
Ninja Turtle, you know?
Who you? Donatello?
No, Richie Tello.
Yeah, we got a surprise for you, family.
No.
Oh.
You can't write that way to there. Look, it don't matter.
Oh, yeah. So, we got a surprise for you, like I said. This is not just any ordinary vlog. We're going to do something a little different, a little something. So, it's a very nice day today. It's not hot at all. It has a nice cool breeze, but the sun is still out. I love that. All right, guys, so we'll see you when we start catching some swimmerons. Okay, family, what's going on? Yes, so we caught some fish. We didn't really catch that much at our first location, but that's okay. We have another spot to go to that we're gonna, hopefully it'll catch us some good fish, right?
Yeah.
So, there's our little baby right here. And this is the fish that Richie caught, this big old jack right here. That's what we're gonna eat. Okay, Tamia caught a fish, Richie caught a fish. I'm the only one who didn't catch a fish yet, family.
Fish there, man.
We're not even gonna lie.
No.
Another fish. And then one more fish. Rear fish. With a snapper.
Oh, snapper there. This was just the first spot, but we got our dinner.
Yes, so we wanted to make sure that we got our dinner, so that's good.
Yes.
So here's our little grill that we bought, and that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna grill, catch, clean, and grill. You see the water? Look how beautiful that is. We have a little spot that we found right on the side. It's great. You see the water is beautiful. So we're gonna set up the grill, and then we're gonna show you how it looks, and then we'll start grubbing. This guy, a real fisherman, this, you know. Yeah, make all of the fish them?
You gonna use the big one?
That's what I thought you was gonna do.
Use the big one then? That's it.
Okay, well, scale that one. You already started, baby.
Yeah, I'm gonna scale this one. I'm gonna use the big one.
Yeah. Ush. So Richie they're scaling. What are you using to scale
Yeah,
up?
I got on my fishing outfit, okay? You fishing. We fishing and cooking. I'm using a knife. Yo, man, if you jump with the money,
So, we were a little bit discouraged earlier, but we wasn't catching nothing. And Daddy caught a big jack. Tamia caught a fish. And we was like, yes, we're going to have some supper. So then we're going to go to the next location. We're not going to bring you guys to the next location because, like I said, you guys have seen us catch fish several times already. So we just want to show you guys that we're going to cook the fish that we caught right on the spot. We're now linger.
Really couple things with them.
For real. Can't wait till we get home. We got to cook the fish. No, ASAP.
We have to give them a catch and cook for them, man.
Yeah. All right, so we'll see you guys in a minute once Richie finished cleaning the fish. And then we season it up with the Everglades.
Family, if you want to be a fisherman, a fisherwoman, you got to know how to clean the fish too, okay? Yeah, first day working on that grill, you know? Having a little picnic. Just take everything out, right here, just throw it in the water. This is what they use to catch a bait. You see?
Oh, the bomba whoa.
What happened?
Sorry, family. That makes sense?
Yeah.
I'm putting the legs inside. Because of the fish matching goat, you know?
Yeah, my birthday, they're hungry.
Hungry bad
So we're just going to do one big whole one.
Yeah, one big fish. Swim around.
One swim around. So family, right now, clean them up, isn't it?
Sorry for the noise. I'm putting this grill together.
Real. Let me get up in the camera, guys, because you know the real fish people out here. I don't play around in these streets, you know, when it comes to fishing.
Putting this grill together, family, is not hard. It's like a 1, 2, 3 thing.
Family, with this jack, when you catch it, you gotta bleed it.
That's gonna be enough fish for us to real? You come hungry, you know?
I can put the next one on, bro. I put the next step on. Here, you just greedy shit.
Hungry man. Hungry bad family. I'm not ashamed.
Let me see this. This ain't gonna hold on the grill. I gotta half him. I'm gonna cut
Oh, you gotta cut it in half?
I'm gonna cut the head, I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna cut it in half.
Okay.
Family, look now. Almost done.
Oh shit, mama, give me that.
Watch out the bloodline. Mama,
Yeah.
put that thing there.
Right on there.
Family, look. Here we go. See that? All clean out. Yeah. I do it all. You know what I mean? So now, clean them up more. Salt water kill everything. Right?
And flavor him too.
Nation there, get rid of this one right here. Oh man, that's from a knife, my youth.
What? That make no sense. You're greedy, you're hungry too.
That's from the chef knife. Get some more water, family. Family, it's like back in Jamaica, family.
See how small the grill is? Nothing big and fancy. You don't need nothing big. Nothing big. Simple.
What's it? Me a fake chef with my youth. Family, what I'm gonna do right now? Slice this bad boy in two. You feel me? First stage right here, good enough? Yo, you know what, I'm gonna eat the next fish. Cause just you and your daughter this right there, so?
Yeah, that's good.
Right here?
Yeah, you're gonna have to make a next one.
Next one, right?
Yeah, man. Because I already see it already.
Family, and they bone is tough. Right here, usually when I catch these, I cut them in steaks and fry them. But see?
Oh, okay. Usually, yeah.
See,
oh, well,
you,
that's good.
Yeah.
It's not a lot of bone.
Yeah, bone, a lot of meat. Meat is beautiful. Beautiful. Look. So you have to bleed it, you understand? So look now, I'm gonna slice them up and season them in. So now that's that.
So if you don't bleed, what happens, my love?
The meat will go dark.
Oh, yeah.
See, I look clean now?
Yeah, the nice and
Now,
clean.
let me get back to my thing right here, family. Now I gotta give you some video, you know? I gotta put the snap on, cause first lady said it's not a lot. Well, I'll put that little knife, little lady.
Yeah.
Look. You know? Look. Got it. Know what I mean? You gotta gut it. Real deal. That real cooking. They got the gill. Know what I mean? Look at the inside. That's right here is what attract the fish. This is what we call chump bait. So I use to attract the fish. I just throw it in the water. You okay, Tom?
Mm-hmm. What?
That's from the knife, my youth. Man, from the knife,
Again?
my youth.
How?
Sorry, family. Start the camera.
How? Why you keep on throwing your knife away? That don't make no sense.
Yo.
Yes? You have to take that watch off. I don't know why you keep on throwing away your knife. Can you find it? You can see it?
Mama. Come check this one. I know you want to get wet.
I love water.
Mama, you come in here and take a little. And come right here shallow. You want to get wet?
Can I?
No, don't get wet. Cause you gotta go back in the car. No.
I have changed clothes.
So all happen. Mommy, hold my ankle.
Girl.
I can roll up my jeans.
I really bet you not gonna get it.
I'm actually wet.
Come on. Turn it on, Tom. Turn on the camera.
Huh?
Turn on the camera.
Come on, bring it on.
Oh.
I'm missing some of fool.
When I dash on my knife, Mama, why don't you put your foot over the shoes? That your shoes won't slide off. Alright? You see your freak guy, yo, me tell you? Go. That's what I said. You have to change your clothes anyway.
I got to change everything, so
Oh my gosh!
Yo, family!
Tamia!
I just threw away my knife, family.
I thought it was going to be on the rug. Daddy here had me. Might as well just swim, right, guys?
Might as well just swim. Family, I'm back. Oh, but why everything dropping out my damn hands, son? Family, the food ain't even started yet and y'all keep dropping, man. This stuff drop out my hand? Oh, the family tripping.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the paper towel.
Yeah. Shark!
Stop.
Alright.
This reminds me of, remember the river in Jamaica?
In Jamaica, oh man.
With the slide, like the rock slide out. So
River in Jamaica is the best. Remember to tell you that.
I don't want to get any further than this. I can't see. It's still right here.
I should have brought a bathing suit. So you can start lighting it. And then I can cut up the potatoes. Yes, family, we have potato.
Family, we're going hard. We're bringing you out. I told you, giving y'all some ketchup cook, something different, you feel me? We're gonna play it around here.
I hope you guys can see everything and hear everything. Cars are driving by, so it's not gonna be as quiet. So we're sorry about that.
Family, right now, you know, I gotta get out the real deal right here. That's all you need.
I had you zoomed in because you and Timmy was in the water.
So I'm just putting some slice in it, you know what I mean? 3 cutting your eyebrow, trying to wall out. You know how it is already. Look at, family, look how flaky that is. Wait till it's done. All right, we're done with that. Okay.
Yeah, this is done. We don't need this. So
What?
put this where you want to put it. We don't need this right now.
All right, family.
That's serious.
When I light up the fire, I'll get back to you. Okay? Tom, lock up.
All right, family. It's kind of dark. So wait, the broccoli. This is the broccoli and the foil paper. That's already done. Yes, we got broccoli. That's right. That's how we do stuff here.
There you go.
And then now we have.
The first lady swim around.
You see that? Let me zoom in. You see that? It's a snapper, and we have potatoes up on the grill. And our fish are going good.
You get sizzle?
Sizzle. Sizzle my nizzle for shizzle.
Sizzle. All right.
So Richie here trying to catch some bait. How was that going, honey?
I caught 3 already.
3?
Family, rusty today. Don't worry about that. That's what we do. Bringing you that content, you see me?
That's right. That's how fishing clothes. Look how beautiful that is. It's gonna be a sunset soon. Look at that. Ooh, look at the bird. Oh, that's beautiful.
You know that Fashion Over Shanice in the building. Fashion Over Rich in the building.
Please.
Slash Sheehan in the building.
Be quiet.
Gang.
So we're just waiting patiently for the food to finish. It's a bubble though, it's a bubble.
I'm good.
You're sneaking your food.
So family, so here is the finished product.
I'm so hungry.
You know, we had to feed the baby first. So she has her snapper, broccoli, and mashed potatoes. How is it, Tamia?
Hot. Hot, right?
Careful, girl! But it's good?
It's really good.
Thank you. So now we have our fish on the grill.
That's how we do it.
Yeah, man. We already
You
took
know what I'm
off.
saying? Greedy couple style, you know what I mean? We could survive in the wild.
We took off the broccoli and the potato.
Yeah.
Now we're just waiting for our fish. Yeah, man. Taguan. No, we had to feed the baby first, so.
Yep. Gang, gang. Mayu, just chill the Mayu.
Good thing you made that snapper. You heard me, honey?
Huh?
Good thing that you made that snapper.
That look good, right? Nature.
All right, family. We are eating our food. The sun is setting. You got everything, honey? And I'm just enjoying this lovely dinner that we made. See the broccoli?
Tell the family I'm coming and I get back and something.
She's coming. We were so hungry. Careful. Hold the legs.
Good, right, Pam?
Yep. It's so good. Ricky's cleaning up, guys.
I clean my kitchen. I do kitchen work, family. Okay.
Woo!
Where we at with it now?
My goodness, this is good.
Ah, man. Family. We're in the building. Look at it. Hold on.
Woo!
Yo, my food is big. Family, I might have to eat with my hand today. Here.
Let me turn a little bit.
Your turn.
See the
Alright.
side.
Here. Look at that fish. Here, take these.
What kind of fish is this, honey?
Jack.
Jack.
Don't come back, Jack.
Big
Family,
boy.
this is so soft. Trust me. We will survive. Yo.
You know they drop?
Good night, brother. You got us up and personal now. Broccoli. We social distance. Nobody around the house. We camping. Look. Here. Take some of the broccoli the first that they made. Good. Watch out.
As you guys already saw, Tamia already ate her food.
How was it first day?
Good. Everything came out
I
good.
told you, I don't play with the grill. You're lucky I enjoyed some chicken. You're lucky I bring a chicken.
That would take too long, my you. Oh. You the drink
Good.
right there, but
Yeah. Onions.
I'm trying to figure out.
Family,
Put my stuff out.
I got a big fish.
Wow, the onions are sweet.
AKA swim around. You enjoying your fish?
Yeah, man.
I wish I could taste this, man. I swear to y'all. Wow. Thank you. It was worth it. Families, we had to bring it to y'all. You know what I'm saying? We had to bring it to y'all. Trust me.
Oh my.
Key West, catch and cook. Mukbang.
How you think we did?
How you think it is? Comment down, let us know. Look. Whoa! Yup. Why would y'all want to do that? And we work so hard.
Dropped? You know how hard we work for this fish?
Yeah. I can't even tell that's how big it is. First lady, watch out.
Wow, that's gonna fall off. They don't know how hard
You know
we work
how
for this
we
fish.
work for this fish family?
Let me tell you something. Behind the scenes was rough, as what she was saying.
Behind the scenes was rough. I said, damn, we ain't gonna have a video for the family, but I said,
We pulled it through.
we did. In the camera? First lady, you good?
Yeah,
We pulled it through. Only thing right now we need is a tent.
yeah.
Little mama's in the car. She's tired. She had a long day. She's been catching fish too. Good.
Careful. Good thing about jacks, they don't have a lot of bones, so you can really eat it freely. And the bones they do have, if you catch a nice sized one, they're big.
This was a big one.
Yeah.
First day I had to fight for this one. She had to grab my pole. I had to bring it up with my hand because we don't have a bridge net yet.
Yeah. We had to tag team it.
Yep. We're gonna buy a bridge net. But this was good. It was a good call. Oh, I ain't get them no potatoes.
You didn't get them nothing.
Why you gotta get them some? Here. Why don't get them nothing? They waited for it.
And we're trying to eat and stuff before the sun goes down.
Yep. Wow.
Woo! Woo! Yeah, man.
Wow.
I mean, you should have seen us watching the fish, you know. We couldn't wait for it to
How your
finish.
taste?
Good.
Tastes good?
Just like yours. We couldn't wait for it to finish.
Yep.
Still seasoned good too, you know?
Family, this is good. We gotta hurry for rats to come out here.
Oh, definitely.
Whereas they don't like rats.
I despise them. So with that being said, yeah man, make that finish fast.
It's a big piece of fish, man.
We was hungry. And you know when you're hungry, you're sitting there, you're watching the pot. It's the worst thing. And you feel like the food just takes forever to cook.
Who talking? I hear people over there talking.
They're not getting no food in there.
I ain't gonna fish.
You hear people talking, but they're not gonna get none of that food.
I can't get none.
You already know I don't share.
Wow.
How are your fish? How are your potato?
But it's soft.
Wow. Oh. I didn't put no Everglades on
Yeah,
it.
that's what I'm saying. I should put some Everglades.
I forgot. I put a lot of butter though. When you're camping, you gotta use what you got to get what you want now. You gotta use whatever is at your disposal. You can't be begging.
Wow. Hurry for the rat come, Tom.
I'm getting full.
You full?
It's a big fish, okay?
Real big. Family,
Excuse me.
it was worth it though.
Not the video, I mean the food. I'm gonna have to family because when I was hungry, I promise you, I said to myself, I'm gonna eat all that food. You know I be lying.
First day trying to hurry for a rat.
I don't know why you mentioned the rats, because I was fine
Rat.
until you mentioned the rats. Now I have to go. I feel them about to come out. I'm sorry, I'm making a lot of noise. I'm sorry. That wallpaper can be annoying.
So family, it's getting dark and we in the woods. We not in the hood, we in the woods. So we shared with y'all.
We took you guys on an adventure with us.
Took an adventure with us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple.
Bikers.
They are First Lady.
The Greedy family. Whew. Guys. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another vlog, mukbang, catch, cook, clean.
And clean, cause y'all seen it too.
Yes. All right, guys. Ready, honey?
Bye.